Hello friends, welcome to this video. In the last video, we learned about the simple X lookup. Now in this video, we are going little bit more deeper. So for example, we have the employee ID and based on the employee ID, we need multiple data like department, product, sales revenue, targeted sales revenue and the bonus. So let's apply the X lookup type X lookup. Lookup value will select the employee ID, comma, lookup array from the master sheet will select the employees IDs column, comma, return array. Now here is the catch. This time we'll select the complete range from department to the bonus, comma, not found. Close the bracket, hit enter. Now, if you change the employee ID, you will get all data in one XLOOKUP. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook page. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.